I'm Gareth Peters. I'm the engineering coordinator here at NewCold's in Wakefield. One of the biggest factors we're having at the moment is age-related issues that are affecting the business. So we use Ultimo to help with the continuous improvement so that the data that we've tracked so far, we can use it to increase plant efficiency and making sure it's always operational. It's my key responsibilities in making sure that we've got engineering manpower and resources, procurement, data tracking and reporting. I also make sure that we've got the right parts in the right place with the right people. Since our start in 2012, NewCold has grown into a global leader in advanced automated food logistics, operating 25 cutting-edge facilities across 3 continents. We are part of the world's largest food companies to deliver safe, energy efficient and fully integrated supply chain solutions. As we aim to triple our business by 2030, we are committed to innovation, customer focus and setting new standards in cold chain logistics. I think what pushes me forward personally is there's been a really strong implementation of Ultimo at Wakefield, but I know we've only really just touched the surface of it, so it'd be good to be able to utilise more that Ultimo is capable of.
My name is Vincent Groeneveld. I'm the asset manager in NewCold. My responsibilities are to set up asset management on a global level. We decided to have a look at 4 different systems, and in the end we choose for Ultimo because they have all our wishes in asset management. We benefit about better uptime for our assets, is also the reliability to our customer, and making sure that all your assets are always available when needed is important, of course, for your business. Because we have now more insight, we saved £95,000 of not ordering spare parts.
A good day at Wakefield is when the maintenance department runs self-sufficiently. Ultimo is so fresh and it's so new. I need to be able to feel confident that it's fully implemented, it's fully finished. So I'm constantly trying to work on that, thinking, right, they want these SOPs in, they want this data in, they want this in, they want that in. So when they type something in, they've got the data sheet, they've got all the previous time it's been used, they've got all the pictures, they've got all the locations, where they can get it from if I'm not here, and they can be self-sufficient, that side of it. You want to be able to grow the system so it becomes self-sufficient, that it kind of looks after itself. When it first got implemented, it was tiny and small, and over the last year it's grown into an absolute beast, and it's growing bigger and bigger and bigger. I genuinely love doing what I do now because I'm really well supported. I get left alone to do my job. I'm trusted to do it. You want to enjoy your day, so I think the more stuff that's going into it at the moment, the easier it's getting.